3D printing, an emerging rapid-forming technology, is becoming a force that transcends reality and makes magical changes in the world. CREATWIT take the advantage of 3D printing technology to change the development process of the entire advertising letter sign industry. Win the industry with technology. CREATWIT is a brand of Shenzhen PioCreate 3D Technology Company Limited. Locates in Shenzhen, the world city of science and technology. Shenzhen PioCreate 3D Technology Company Limited is an innovative high-tech enterprise dedicates to the R&D, production and sales of channel letter 3D printers for the advertising sign industry. Look into the future. CREATWIT will rely on years of 3D printing R&D and manufacturing technology to develop globally. By providing advanced advertising letter 3D printers and spare parts, consumables and solutions, and other comprehensive advantages, we will continue to provide customers with exquisite services and win the industry with technology. Achieve the future with quality. CREATWIT digs deep into innovative technology guided by market demand, has a large-scale production base covering an area of 10,000 square meters, complete R&D, manufacturing and after-sales systems, and strong technical strength. CREATWIT has an advanced, large-scale R&D center, 3D printing laboratory, new material research institute, and modern production line in China, with 24-hour uninterrupted professional testing line and strict quality control system to ensure product quality from the source and achieve the future with quality. At present, K6, K8, and other industrial-grade LED letter 3D printers have been exported to Asia, South America, Europe, and other areas. In the future, CREATWIT will continue to explore more abroad markets and implement the strategy of global development. Chase the world dream with innovation. At the same time, CREATWIT, adhering to the concept of let dreams come true today, transcend reality tomorrow, not only is committed to providing high-quality 3D printing comprehensive solutions for the society, but also starting from the education field, cooperating with Shenzhen University and other science and technology universities to cultivate talents, combining production, learning and research, education enlightenment, and help the long-term development of the domestic 3D printing industry, training batches of scientific and technological innovation talents with international vision, and laying the foundation for national enterprises to dream the world. In the field of 3D printing technology, where opportunities and challenges coexist, CREATWIT is writing a grand blueprint for the independent and innovative advertising sign 3D printing business on a global scale. Quality depends on professionalism. Brand depends on service. In the future, CREATWIT will rely on professional development based in China, facing the world, chasing the dream of a world-renowned brand in the 3D printing industry and adding glory for the rise of China's manufacturing industry.